So students, now you see the answer. Janit Public School, Ashok Vihar, New Delhi, 16 July. Date, as I told you, mention the date that we have to write to the manager, Messrs. Globe Tour and Travels, as per given in the question. The address is there. And now moving to next part, that is the content. Okay, here you see subject, inquiry about the conducted tour. Then salutation is there, sir, comma should come. We organize short educational tour to place of social and historical interest during the autumn or winter break, and likely places as per the question: Agra, Jaipur, Chandigarh. And since the request was for the quotation was they had required for the buses, please let us know your terms and conducted tour or by deluxe buses. As mentioned above, the rate should include lodging, boarding. These are the inquiries you should make before concluding anything. I would like to know the kind of the boarding and lodging facility provided by you, the duration of the journey and halting charges if any. Please let me know if group discount. See, here is asking the head boy Vivek is asking for the discount also, because there is a bulk, there are the chances that many students will be going for this tour, and since the number is more, you can ask for a discount. And also he is asking for an discount are admissible as we charter a bus expecting, and he wants an early response, so he have written that. And yours faithfully, Vivek Malhotra, head boy. This is a perfect letter that you should write like this only. This is an inquiry letter. Now let us see one more letter, that is of placing an order. See, in business you have to deal with many sort of things, and this is the placing an order. You are a librarian of Ambala Public School. You want to place an order for textbooks with Dhanpati and Sons. Write a letter to the manager of Dhanpati and Sons, Chennai, and to place an order. See, Dhanpati and Sons are the publisher of that book, and since you are a librarian of Ambala Public School, you want to place an order to that publisher. So now let's see the answer for this question also. Here you see Ambala Public School, Chennai. Name will not come. Then the date, after the date there is the manager, Messrs. Dhanpati and Sons, Chennai. Subject, order for textbooks. Sir, I think the comma is been missing. You should add a comma. Sir, kindly arrange the supply of your earliest the books for our school at the rate approved for the year 2000, whatever. The details of the books are as follows. See, here made a column. You can also make a column or just place a list. Since they have talked earlier, so he is placing an order. Serial number 1, 2, 3, subject math, science, English, grammar, class 12, 10th and 12th, and the writer are K.C. Sisodia. You have to mention the writers because the books in your science there are various books of physics that are being published, maths, and you have to take one that has been done. So that has been followed in your school, so yeah, and which is very common also, and very good books are normally referred. Okay, now here maths writer's name is there. Quantity is 50 copies, 50 copies, 50 copies each, because it is a library of high school and many students take such kind of books. It must be ensured that the latest edition of the books are being supplied. Yeah, that is the line that you should be there. Before supplying the books, it must be checked that each book is of latest edition. Payment will be released only after the approval by the principal. See, the librarian is placing an order, but on behalf of the principal. Once the books are in good condition, then the latest edition is there, and the prescribed book, whatever they ask, like for the math they ask KC Sisodia, it should be of KC Sisodia only, then only the payment will be released. Then complimentary clause is there, yours Raghavan, and your designation should be at the bottom of that your designation is librarian. Now moving to the next part is the some other problem of the goods. Now let's say this one question. There's such kind of questions normally comes in your exams. Okay, now defective refrigerator. Your Kumar Shanu of Bareilly has purchased a frost-free BLP refrigerator 265 from Lifestyle Civil Lines Bareilly. Lifestyle is a name of the shop. Okay, and that is Civil Lines Bareilly. After a month of purchase, the freezing section of the refrigerator has failed to function. Write a letter to the sales manager of the firm complaining about it and requesting for the piece to be replaced, since there is a 2-year warranty. Okay, now you can see just there is a 2 months warranty. Because in the sender's address Kumar Shanu is from Bareilly, and here purchased from Lifestyle Civil Line Bareilly. You can see here the company, that refrigerator company is BLP, and it is 265 liters, and just after 1 month एक महीने के अंदर ही the freezing section is having some problem. So you can see it is 2 years warranty is there, so he is asking for a replacement. Let's see how you can answer this question also. Let me show. You provided us a warranty letter for 2 years against any technical fault. Having used it for about a month, we now find that the freezing section of the refrigerator is not working properly. We are unable to get even a single eatable fresh when kept in it. The summer season is in full swing and we are feeling great inconvenience due to your defective refrigerator. Under these circumstances, it is requested that the defective refrigerator may please be replaced at your earliest, in order to stop further inconvenience to us. It will be appreciated if the new set is installed after proper testing. And see here he have given that there is a problem, that the cooling section is not working, and the summer time is there and he is facing the problem. And so you can see here he have written properly, very polite language he has used. He has not used any unwanted things. Then here he have given the closing clause, thanking you yours faithfully, and Kumar Shanu is the last in the end. Okay, now this letter is again I told you, as a sales manager of Messrs Universal Book Supplier, 26 Ansari Road, Daryaganj, write a letter to the librarian of Scindia offering information regarding the sale of dictionaries and illustrated children encyclopedias. See, there are many suppliers who contact the schools for publish their books to be sold. So Here this universal book supplier is contacting the librarian of Scindia School, Gwalior. See, the universal book supplier is the firm's name, then address 26 Ansari Road, Daryaganj, New Delhi, 19th May. The librarian Scindia School, Gwalior. Sale of the dictionaries and encyclopedia. Here you can see, sir, we thank you very much for your letter dated 5th May. See, on 5th May they might have got the letter dated 5th May and are happy to furnish you the following information. This is basically a reply about the inquiry made by the Scindia School librarian regarding the dictionary and encyclopedias. And here the publisher is again sending the reply. We thank you for the letter dated. This is the reference that your letter was dated 5th May and they have received it and again replying it on the 19th May and are happy to furnish you the following information. We stock dictionaries and encyclopedias published by Indian as well as foreign publishers. We have books suitable for all age groups of school-going children. As desired by you, we are enclosing our latest catalog. It contains information you need. So they are sending the catalog. We have the suitable. Okay. That catalog might be having all the information about the products that this publisher is having, universal publisher, and we shall offer you 15% discount. Since the librarian might have asked for the discount offer, they are offering 15% discount given to educational institution on this category of books. And beside this, they have also told that they need. So now they have told that we shall offer you 15% discount on educational institution of this category of books. We need 2 weeks time to make delivery of order. We accept payment by demand draft only. See, this is the payment condition. We need the time. Delivery time is they will require once the Scindia School places an order, they will require at least 2 weeks. 2 weeks for the this supplying of the order, and we accept payment by demand draft. The check वगैरह नहीं चलेगा, demand draft ही चलेगा. It should be payable at Delhi, and since the check clearing charges and the demand draft should be payable at Delhi because the publisher is situated in Delhi. I hope our terms will meet your approval, and this is the positive note that we have to end our business letter. I hope our terms will meet your approval and we will receive your order soon. Yours faithfully, S. Ravindran, Sales Manager. This is again a perfect example of a perfect letter that you should write. The universal supplier, the sender address, date, live, see everything is up to date. And finally he have closed the sales manager is writing. This is a perfect reply to the any inquiry that you receive in your business. Now students, we will you have to do these exercises. There are 6 questions. Basically these are with the same. See, in the 6th question you will see the universal whatever example I have given in the top, but you have to, your language should be different other than this. You are a librarian. First question is again placing an order. The second question is about a particular TV set. Then if the something problem is there in TV set, and you have to that is the defective good case. And then comes the again the seeking information regarding some course. Okay, you have to mention that. Then this plasticware, cancelling of the order. See here, you have to be very careful in the this fourth question, because the date of delivery was so and so, you have to mention, and since it was not supplied by the firm, you have to cancel that order. But the language should be very polite. Okay, and in the fifth question, you can infer there is a problem in short supply of unrest, while a polite letter customer explaining why the order cannot be executed. See here, you are unable to supply the goods due to labor unrest. It may be anything, and you have to see, when a supplier is getting an order from some buyer, he have to be in communication with the buyer, and if the supplier, if he is unable to supply within that particular stipulated time, he have to tell to the buyer that I am unable to supply this moment, and it will take some more time. So this letter is also one important about the postponing the order supply. And the last one, as the last example, the same, but the language should be different. I think this is the this will finish with your this business letter. And on tomorrow, that is Monday, I will be taking up the another last type of the letter, that is your official letter and the letter to the editor. Basically, I wanted you to to get the deep knowledge of job application and business letter, because these are the very common thing in your exam, and very easy scoring marks you will get here. And the Monday I will be again taking you with the letter, that is the editor, and with that we will be completing our letter writing section, and then we will be starting with our literature part also. Simultaneously I will be taking literature part and then your other part. Please do intimate me after completing all these 6 questions, so that I can rectify your mistake if you have any. I don't think you will be making any mistake. Thank you very much, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.